Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor beast here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video, ang May Kaya or Mikaya. Bakit ba May Kaya? So, one second lang girl, let's all watch this. Anong atake? Did you know that, baby, I... Oh, okay. Ay, layag na layag sila yung mami dito ah. Ang ganda ni Mika. Bakit ganun yung tingin ni Mika? Bakit ganun yung tingin ni Mika? Taray. Ang taray ni Mika. Hinawakan siya ni Aya. Oo nga, nakikita nyo nga, di ba? Sabi ko nga. Sorry. Taray. Is this in Houston, right? No, this is not in Houston.
Okay, who came here to watch your show with a partner? Who came here with a partner?
Ay, may partner. May partner pa talagang atake.
Without a partner, raise your hand.
Ah,
You know, guys, I like to do this thing called matchmaker. I like to be the Cupido.
Cupido.
For tonight,
Cupido.
well, look at everyone beside you, left or right, and before you tell them this question, I want you guys to say hi first. Hi.
May skill pala sila.
Yes. Look at them sa mata nila. Look at their eyes so you can feel the connection. You can compliment.
I'm seeing this guy with a blue hoodie and the girl with a red shirt. I don't know, are you guys together?
Yes, and now lean forward. But before you tell them your
Anong chika nila dito?
compliment or anything, it could be good or bad.
Alam mo, ito yung mga klaseng hinahanap ko sa, Bini compilation.
Secret.
Ay, bakit ang landi nila dito?
Snuffy. And
Patingin. Ano nangyari kay Gwenny?
Snuffy.
Umiibig si Ate Aya. Hala, si Gwenny. Pati si Gwenny, sumasali na din. Charis, Gwen, no. You're still a baby girl. Diba? Ay, layag na layag sila, mami. Layag na layag ang may kaya. Ay, hinawakan pa talaga si Stako for today's video. Charis, sa harap ni Aya. Charis. Oh, sound right. Okay. May kaya. Kailan na yung may kaya di? I forgot. Ay, atake. Go. Grabe si Aya, no? Si Mika. Astig niya talaga. Super astig niya talaga. Ay, okay, what's next? Ay, ito.
Yeah, mabubuo na ulit ang puso nyo.
Bakit? Anong meron? Bakit? Ay, ni Mika. Hindi mo kaya si Mika. Wait, can we just repeat that? Ah, yes. Ay, grabe si Mika. Oo, madami. Ay, matagal na to. Matagal na to, mami. Ay, may ganap talaga yung Mikaya. Ay,
Okay, ano yun?
ay, electric fan ka ba? Bakit? Ay, hoy! Charis! Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Totoo ba?
Yes? Kinilig ka ba doon? Kulang pa ng
Kinilig ka ba doon? Ay, may kaya ka ba? May kaya ka ba? Matagal na ba to? Ganda. Ay, hindi, bago lang kasi yung stage nila, oh. Bago lang to. Ay, isa pa. Nag-side eye siya. Nag-side eye siya. Halika na daw. Hindi ko kaya. Ay, nabasa pala. Alright, there you go guys. That is all for today's video. Our My Kaya compilation. This is Gigi Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!